Welcome to DDD-Enforcer. Not just the theory, not just the diagrams, but the reality of your codebase. In the age of rapid AI development, vibe coding often sacrifices architectural discipline for speed. While AI assistants accelerate builds, they frequently lack a semantic understanding of unique domain concepts. This leads to architectural drift, where your code's ubiquitous language is replaced by synonyms, and your bounded contexts are ignored in the rush to ship. Traditional static analysis tools can catch a syntax error, but they are blind to these subtle violations of your business logic. Without a way to enforce these rules, even the most advanced AI-assisted projects can quickly accumulate architectural debt. Domain-driven design, DDD, is a strategic framework that aligns software structure with business domains. It centers on ubiquitous language, a shared vocabulary between experts and developers, and bounded contexts to maintain logical separation. DDD-Enforcer automates this discipline through a VS Code extension. It uses a 4-stage multi-agent pipeline, Scout, Architect, Specialist, Synthesizer, to extract domain models directly from requirements, eliminating manual setup. The tool provides real-time monitoring, instantly flagging semantic mismatches or boundary violations as you code. First step is to download the extension. For this demo, we will be loading it directly to VS Code, but in the future, we are planning on an official VS Code extension release. Once the extension is loaded, we will be providing DDD-Enforcer with our context. In our case, we will feed it with a basic e-commerce SRS document for it to generate its domain rules. From here, a multi-agent pipeline springs into action. First, our Scout agent intelligently parses your SRS. Depending on the document size, it can chunk the document, filtering out the noise to find core business entities and workflows. Then, the Architect agent takes over, analyzing these elements to draw the lines between your bounded contexts. Next, the Specialist agent performs a deep dive into each context, extracting the tactical patterns, your aggregates, entities, and value objects, while identifying the synonyms and banned terms that often lead to domain degradation. Finally, the Synthesizer agent merges these insights into a validated domain model JSON structure. After successfully creating the base domain model file in JSON format, the system informs us about the total API calls, input-output tokens, and our total cost. The created domain model file can be modified by the user to ensure a human-in-the-loop workflow. In this file, we have the rulebook for the model to take account while it reviews our code. Now comes the fun part. The validation function, when triggered, DDD-Enforcer basically takes the model file that it just created and compares it with the current singular code file that is on the screen. It validates the current structure, follows the guidelines from the context of model file. If DDD-Enforcer finds out about a violation, it acts like a linter, showing the user the problem with the code. DDD-Enforcer makes use of a RAG-enhanced source traceability system for the user to understand where that violation came from. Since this is a separate API call to the LLM provider, the system informs us about the statistics of the cost. To keep your workflow responsive and cost-effective, we use a tiered model strategy. We employ Gemini 2.5 Flash for the complex architectural reasoning of model generation, while the real-time code validation is handled by the lightning-fast Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite. On our example, you can see DDD-Enforcer successfully finds the expected semantic violation of the example and notifies the user. Furthermore, thanks to the source traceability, we can see in semantic estimation on where the violation stated on the provided SRS document. DDD-Enforcer bridges the gap between natural language requirements and raw code. By combining the semantic intelligence of groundbreaking LLMs with the precision of static analysis, we've created a system that doesn't just find errors, it maintains the ubiquitous language of your business.